Eptatretus strickrotti is one of the rarest deep-sea vertebrates ever found, a hagfish species discovered at hydrothermal vents of the eastern Pacific. It lives where temperatures fluctuate from near freezing to scalding within a single meter, and yet it thrives without the anatomical features most fish rely on. It has no jaws, no true vertebrae, and almost no metabolic margin for error. Still, it persists where evolution usually gives up. That contradiction makes it fascinating to biologists. The species' most unusual trait is hidden in the thread cells of its skin. Each cell can release a protein filament thinner than a human hair but tens of centimeters long. When exposed to seawater, these filaments instantly expand into a defensive slime that can clog the gills of predators. In Eptatretus strickrotti, the pore arrangement is denser than in shallow water hagfish, forming vent belts that likely evolved to function even in turbulent mineral plumes. This pore topology is a rare structural adaptation among jawless fish. Its sensory system also shows a subtle specialization. Instead of relying on eyes, it navigates using a network of mechanoreceptors along its flanks, cells tuned to minute shifts in pressure caused by vent currents. Because hydrothermal vents pulse in rhythmic patterns, the species basically reads the landscape as vibration signatures, creating a mental map built from fluid dynamics instead of light. The digestive physiology is equally extreme. Studies show that its gut operates efficiently at low oxygen saturation thanks to a slow metabolic baseline typical of hagfish, but with enzymes tolerant to heavy metals found near vents. This dual tolerance is rare among vertebrates and gives the species an unusual ecological niche, consuming dead or weakened animals that collapse near vent systems. And then there is its skull, technically a cartilaginous cranium with flexible plates. This structure allows the fish to twist its entire body into knots so it can pull itself free from predators or force food off bone. The knotting behavior is known in hagfish in general, but Eptatretus strickrotti performs it under rapid vent currents, anchoring itself against the flow using the knot as an improvised brace. It is a biomechanical workaround instead of a limb, an evolutionary improvisation that stands out among vertebrates. As Carl Sagan once said, somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Creatures like Eptatretus strickrotti remind us how much of the ocean remains unknown and how evolution works even in places where life seems impossible. If you enjoy these deep ocean stories, remember that your subscription, like, and support keep the exploration alive and help bring more hidden species to light.